How are dehumidifiers rated? Hisense dehumidifiers have received excellent ratings from customers and industry experts alike. Consumer Reports recently awarded the Hisense DH50KP1WG 50-pint dehumidifier with their highest rating of excellent. Customer reviews from major retailers such as Home Depot and Lowe's also show a high level of satisfaction with the Hisense dehumidifier's performance, durability, and ease of use. When it comes to dehumidifying your home or workspace, Hisense is an excellent choice for reliable, efficient operation. How much kWh does an Energy Star rated dehumidifier use? An Energy Star rated dehumidifier typically uses about 200 to 750 kWh per year.